Good morning, children. Okay, today we are going to learn the advantages of conventional method. Okay, already we finished the types of conventional method. What are the types of conventional method? Cutting, grafting, and layering. Okay, so now we are going to study the advantages of that conventional method. Okay, first point, the plants are genetically uniform. So the plants are same. Okay, next point, many plants produced quickly. By this conventional method, the plants are produced very quickly. Okay. Then third point. Some plants produce little or no seeds in others. Seeds do not germinate means what we do. In such case, this conventional method be used. Okay. Once again repeating, some plants produce little. Some plants produce some little seeds, or some plants produce only small amount of seeds. Some plants that there is no the seeds. In that case, we use this type of conventional type of method we used. Okay. Then two different plants with desirable characters can be grafted and grown as a new plant. Okay, that means what? The scion and the stalk. Two types of plants. Okay, that be grafted and produce a new plant. Okay, next, disadvantages. Using virus infected plants means it will produce a virus infected new plant. Okay, that. So, vegetative structures are bulky, so different to handle and store. So, by this method, the plants, the vegetative structures like the buds, these are bulky. So, it will be difficult to handle and store. These are the disadvantages of conventional method. Okay, ma? Do you all understood? Okay. Then, next, modern method. What's the modern method here? Professor Stewart in 1932 showed that the mature parenchyma cells removed from the carrot at a suitable medium stimulate and dividing of cells that produce a new carrot plant. How it is possible? Listen, Professor Stewart discovered that by removing the parenchyma cells from the carrot, okay, only the cells, in that cells be produce as a new plant. How is it is possible? That method is a totipotent. Okay. The type of method is what? Totipotent. Okay. The growth of plant tissue in special culture medium under suitable controlled condition is known as tissue culture. Okay. Here we take one cell or tissue. In that tissue is placed in a culture medium. What's a culture medium? We will study later in the 5th chapter. Okay. Here that they use the broth or agar for that. Okay. That is the medium. Under suitable controlled condition is known as tissue culture. What is tissue culture? The growth of plant tissue in special culture medium under suitable controlled condition is known as tissue culture. Okay, understood, ma? Okay. Next one, micropropagation. What is micropropagation? The regeneration of a whole plant from single cell tissue or small piece of vegetative structures through tissue culture is known as micropropagation. That means a plant will be grown by using only one cell. Okay, only one cell or a small tissue or any small piece of vegetative part. By using that, they produce a new plant. Okay, that type of culture is known as what? Micropropagation. Understood? Okay. There are some advantages and disadvantages of this modern method. First one, plant with desirable characters multiplied rapidly in a short duration. In a short time, the desirable characters are multiplied and produce a new plant. Okay. Then, genetically identical plants are produced. That means all the plants are genetically same. Okay. Then, plants produced in any season. Okay. By this modern technique, the plants are produced in any season. Then, plants do not produce viable seeds are difficult to germinate, so this method be used. Okay, சில பிளான்ட்ஸ்ல வந்து நல்ல குவாலிட்டியான சீட்ஸ் வந்து கிடைக்காது சரியா. so in that plants what they use, they produce by this technique. okay, then rare and endangered plants can be propagated. that means what, அழிந்து போகக்கூடிய நிலைமையில் இருக்க பிளான்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணலாம், by this tissue culture technique they will produce a new plants. okay, then disease free plants be produced. okay, understood ma? These are the advantages of micro propagation or the modern method. okay, next one, disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Labor intensive and required skilled workers. so it is a labor intensive and required skilled workers. For this technique we want a skilled workers. okay, then only they produce this type of new plants. Then sterile condition be maintained. For this culture the lab be very sterile in condition. okay, then clones are identical, the crops is susceptible to new disease or environmental conditions will wipe out the species. That means what? In some cases, the tissue or that clone have any disease caused, means what happen? All the species are washed out. That is a wipe out. Okay. Then last point, callus undergoes genetical changes. It is undesirable for commercial use. What's the meaning of the word callus? Callus means that the tissue or cell. If in this tissue or cell any genetic variation happens, means what happens? It is unfit for growth. okay, so that is the callus undergoes genetical changes. It is undesirable or unfit for the commercial use. These are the disadvantages of modern method. okay ma, study well. Thank you.